Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today I'm in Mexico with my family. This is not my house, it's kind of my dad's kind of sister house, yeah. Basically, this is my dog. These are kind of all my dogs. I'm kind of going to speak Spanish because I want them to think I'm weird. There's my other one. Guys, I got 3 dogs. One is kind of sleeping. Hey Chase. Hey Star. So basically, his name is Star. He always looks at the star. And his name is Chase because he always chases everyone around. This one should be, I named him Louis the dog. Guys, please like and subscribe, turn on notifications for you for other videos. What is that? Okay guys, wait. Please like and subscribe, guys. This is one of my turn notifications, and you know what to do, guys. Subscribe and tell me if you liked this video. Tell me. Subscribe, you know. Tell me if you like these dogs. He's so cute. And he's the girl. This is my dog, sleep little boy. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna try to speak Spanish now. Okay guys, I'm gonna speak Spanish right now. Okay amigos, estamos aquí. Aquí estamos con mis perros. Aquí están con mis perros, los pueden ver. Yeah guys, this is my dog. Manu. This is my other dog. His name, that's Chase. Chase, where are you going, buddy? Where are you going, little buddy? He's so cute. Come on, Chase. I'll be right back when I get him in my lap. Okay, let's get him. Okay, Chase. Here's Chase, guys. Aquí está Chase. ¿Cómo estás, Chase? This is my dog. This is my perro. It's really cool, cute. He does not bite. He just licks everyone. He just wants to have fun. Yeah, mostly all my dogs are like always hungry. Yeah, what I just said in Spanish is, yeah, he's just like the other dogs. He's wait, he's just like my dogs. Wait for it. Así que este perro está como los otros perros, siempre hambrientos. Vamos a ver acá. Esperen. So basically, we're in Mexico. Estamos en México. Esta es la casa. I'll be right back. Ok amigos, estamos aquí otra vez. Vamos a estar aquí. Los guajolotes. Wait. Esperen. Run! Never. Okay, I did not want to go through the flies ever again. So, I'm going to take a shortcut. No quiero estar por las moscas, así que vamos a estar por otro lugar. Ok. Que no me peguen con ese palo. Ok, estamos aquí otra vez con mis amigos, pero mis perros. Amigos, por favor, subscribe, like this video, turn notifications, ya saben qué hacer. Bye. Bye, guys.